case of a staple jam in your cordless post stapler, this video will show you how to remove the jam staple. Before you do any action to remove the staple jam, make sure you first remove the fuel cell and the battery from the tool. Ensure that the magazine is empty of all fastenings. Using a Phillips head number 2 screwdriver or a flathead, in this case I'm using a flathead, I'm going to put the flathead down the barrel of the tool, tap with a hammer, push the driver blade back to release the staple jam. Now that the tension has been released from the driver blade, pull the pusher back, either along those pliers, or in this case I'm just going to use the same flathead screwdriver. Get the staple out, turn the gun upside down, and the staple should fall out like so. If this method fails to clear the staple jam, then we need to remove the magazine, unthread the connecting bolts, then remove the staple jam with the needle nose pliers and assemble the magazine back together before further use. And that is how you remove a staple jam in your cordless post stapler. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this helpful.